she was talking about that developer required a lot of time to develop a app, and she was saying that they will not get any permission if there will be censorship. I think if you are developing something good that is not harmful for the public, then the government will give you permission easily. But if your apps or application have some problems like a breach of privacy or something illegal happening on your application, then definitely government will not give you any permission. He was also talking about, as government know about the dark web, still they are not doing anything. I agree that government has a data to know, they know everything what is going on the dark web, but the problem is why they are not stopping it, because they don't have any control over it, because it is not it is not managed by any one authority, or it is not under our government, so they cannot do anything. That's why a lot of illegal terrorist transaction is happening on there. And a lot of people raise concern about how government is knowing that a lot of apps are doing bad and they are not taking any actions. I disagree with this, because I have seen, because there were, I think, a lot of Chinese apps were banned by the government, because the Chinese developer was taking the data of the Indian government, so they are taking action. So I feel when there will be censorship, government will think about our privacy. You are just prioritizing your entertainment over your privacy. You are not seeing that apps like we can take the example of Truecaller. It is using your data. They take permission of your photos, your storage, everything. But why they are taking it? You are not even concerning about your privacy, and you are just focusing on entertainment, that I want to use a particular app. This is not about entertainment, this is about the security of the nation. So I think there should be a censorship.
So I would like to say that if my friend Isha, she was talking about Truecaller and all the apps. So we have very famous app Instagram, and there is so much vulgarity on Instagram. We can see there are so many good things, but vulgarity is more. So government knows about this app, and this is very famous app in the world, around the world, and most of the people, even celebrities and even government, even the politician, they are using this app. Why are they not doing anything? Even the every leader, they are using this app. Why are they not doing anything? Even they know there is vulgarity, and these leads to the harm to the youth, the generations. We are using reels all the time, but they are doing anything? No. They are just getting a huge amount of money by this. Even they are getting views, and they are getting huge amount of money, so they are thinking about their profit as well. They are not thinking about your privacy and all the things. Even government and even a private organization, they always first think about their profit, first about their pocket. Even politician, even the leaders, you can take any example, they first think about their profit, and then if there is any kind of protest, if there is any kind of issue, then only they take action. Otherwise, if the thing is going on, then it is okay for them.
So first of all, someone from your team said liberty. Using liberty as a barrier between people and government is just like using privacy as a barrier between husband and wife. That does not exist. And we can see that you are talking about liberty between people and government. What's the actual liberty between people and government? Whenever there's any issue with people, they always blame the government, because they are for the people, to the people, by the people. So we should have to focus on these things as well. If we're gonna blame the government, then we gonna give all of our hard work, or all of everything we depend on, we have to rely on the government at that point. So we need to share everything with the government, just like we do with our parents. And at some point, someone of your team said like tobacco and these things, like their tobacco is sold and they kill people. Killing people is not the point here, because spreading of tobacco is from a very we can say past time, since approximately 10, 20, 30 years tobacco is there, and you can see the results that some people are dying. But the actual thing we're gonna say is the apps, the social media is gonna destroy the whole youth and a country. Once a philosopher said that you show me the youth of the country, and I would tell the actual future of the country, how the country is. So we have to focus on the youth. Youth are not destroyed by the tobacco, youth are destroyed by the apps we are using, like Instagram, nudity, sexual content, harassment. That's a harassment you use on Instagram and all these apps. There are sometimes people watch the pornographic films and they do not even know that some of them are MMS, not just the scripted ones. So in every aspect we have to look, and we need to give the government all the rights that they have to check upon the things. And as we have mentioned in the debate before, that not just check the app once it is being created, but after it is created we have to look upon that as well, that if there are some minor updates or some any kind of updation we can see in the apps, so at that point we have to look on these things as well. And once another point that someone from your team said about the profit, so government's gonna think about the profit secretly, so that the people do not understand that they're actually getting the profit. But what about the actual creators of those apps? They would definitely think about their profit. If they would see some what is the development or growth on their channel or app, at that point after spreading anything unhuman, okay, sexual content, all everything, the nudity and some brutality, we can say all these things, and they see a little growth on their app, so they would definitely spread these things a lot to get better profits. That's how the owner of Twitter did. So that's all my opinion. आजकल जमाना है ऐसा।
Okay, as you were talking about that the government is also making the profit, but government is making the profit secretly, right? You were talking about that. It is not like that whether the government is making profit secretly or openly. The fact is that government is also, taking the advantage of your data. What's the guarantee that government will not do the bad thing with the data of the company, with the data of the public? There's no guarantee. And first of all, if I think that if government will collect the data, that I think that there will be the more possibility of the breachment of the data, because the government will have the data of all the people. If a company's if the company's data is being hacked at that time, I think that there's a possibility that the data of each and every individual will not be hacked. But at that time, I think the data of each and every individual will be hacked in case of government. And one more thing that you all are talking about, that the app is taking the data. If you install the application, then you would have to agree the terms and condition of the app. Everything is being written there, that okay, your data is being recorded, we are asking for your information, we are selling your data as well. No, everything is you that one person from your team was taking was sharing something about that they are also making profit, they are also selling your data. So it's the business, I think, strategy. They are not doing any bad thing, they are paying money, they are taking the data of the people, as as you are paying money for taking the products. So they are not doing, they are not like that, they are taking the product and they are not paying. So that's what my opinion.
Okay, so we all know in this contemporary world, the one who has data, he is the god. We know that. And the app which we are using nowadays, before using all that app, you are supposed to give your permissions. They take your permission before entering the app. And if you are denying the notification or the permission, so they would not let you enter in the app. Okay, uh, that's what we are saying. That's why the government should censor all the app before building. And yeah, they were also saying the right thing, that after the app being launched, there should means rectification of the data as well. After launching the app, the associations, or we can say government associations, should must check the app after launching. Okay, and now you are talking about data breaching. Yeah, we know that hackers are there who can hack even data of government. But we all know the companies who has servers, they have big servers where they store their data. We know that first they collect our information, and after that they sell to other companies. And we all know that in India there are means most of the app are not Indians. We know that they are from west. Okay, so they can use our data in order to win our nation. Okay, or in their favor. before that's we are saying that before launching or before building any app, we should take permission to the government. We know that you are saying right that government are also corrupted, but we know that they are working for us, and there is not only one person who is on government. There are associations. That's
You were talking about the hacker. What if the government is a hacker? If someone is sitting on the chair, on the desk, and they are selling your data, he will definitely send your data within the country, but the government can send your data out of the country. And it is, and you don't know, and you are sitting you're sitting on your home, and you don't realize that you are become the target of the MMS1. You don't realize it, and it is that. And you were the one talking about the websites. There are so many websites which are operated by the another country. Before launching in our server, they get permission by the government. So at that time, where is the government who is checking that? There was the government now. So they, even still, they are giving them to get into the our server. So it is there. So government is the one who are giving them all that way to earn money. And the very first thing about the leaders or the servers is, the very first thing, they are profit oriented. They make profit. They don't care about your data. They don't care about the authority. You're talking about the data. Your data some is not your privacy. It is the way to make money for the by the leaders.
According to me, app should not be censored before launching the app, because if you wants to launch any application or any web, so you must have to take permission from the government. It's all depend to government, and it's totally based on government decision. Suppose government reject your ideas or your inventions, and after some days government launch your same application, just change minimum. So at that time, what will you do? That's all.
So he was saying that government is selling a data to the others. So tell me about that. What do you think? Like the Prime Minister of India, he will sell a data of another country? Not, because he will not. If he will share, he knows that his government will be false.
Yeah.
And let's take example, if another country, like take example XYZ, any country, if they will sell the data to the opposition, then government can be, sir, what we call fell down, like change all. Yeah, it, I don't know the meaning of.
In English.
Yeah, it's also impact on a economics also, economic also, yes, economics also. That's why I want to.
I want to answer, I want to contradict Devendra. He was saying that this is a business strategy of selling a data or privacy of a consumer. You are so wrong here. First of all, we are using any application. We want the service of that application. We are not ready to sell our data. You said there are term and condition, and you have to agree. After that, you can proceed to the app. First of all, have you seen the app, term and condition? It is so long and tiny. Nobody if we talk about practically, nobody use that. Nobody read the term and condition of so much term and condition. So they are playing here. They are putting the essential things, like they want to take the permission of our storage or whatever. They are doing this. And secondly, we are using the services, not our privacy is not. We are not saying them to take our privacy. This is not a business. This is, you are taking advantage of the consumer. That's why we need censorship. And also, have you ever wondered why we get calls from a different companies? How they are getting our number? Because of company, they are selling our data. And who gave them right to sell our data? Because we just want services, and we are paying for it. We are not paying for our to take our privacy and sell it to another company. This is not what we are paying to.